Welcome you all to the Geotechnical Engineering Lab. A civil engineer must study the properties of soil such as its origin, grain size distribution, ability to drain water, compressibility, shear strength and load bearing capacity. So these are the basic parameters to analyze the soil. So geotechnical engineering is the subdiscipline of civil engineering that involves application of the principle of soil mechanics and rock mechanics to the design of foundation, retaining structures and earth structures. Now we can see what are the experiments coming under geotechnical engineering lab. So we have a total of 10 experiments. Determination of specific gravity and water content of soil, determination of Fetterberg's limits, liquid limit and plastic limit, determination of shrinkage limit, determination of grain size distribution of soil by sieve analysis, determination of field density of soil by sand replacement method, determination of permeability of soil by variable head method, standard Proctor compaction test, determination of grain size distribution of soil by hydrometer analysis, determination of shear parameters of soil by direct shear test, and the last one, determination of California bearing ratio. So in this experiments, the first 9, the video recordings are uploaded in the Linways, and the 10th experiment you can do using virtual lab. In virtual lab you will be getting the detailed procedure, simulation to do the experiment and also the calculation values. Now we can see what are the apparatus used for each experiment. Determination of specific gravity of soil using pycnometer. The basic apparatus used is pycnometer. It is shown in the particular figure. Then the determination of specific gravity. The 4 values we needed are the weight of empty container, container plus dry soil, container plus dry soil plus water, container plus water. These are the weights to be taken, and from these weights, by applying the formula, you can find the specific gravity of the given soil sample. Determination of water content of soil. The main apparatus required is an oven. The weight of the soil before keeping the oven and after keeping in the oven dried soil, the weight is taken. Determination of Fetterberg limit, that is liquid limit. In the previous semester in Geotechnical Engineering 1, you have already studied about liquid limit. The main apparatus used is the Casagrande apparatus or liquid limit apparatus. A groove is there. Next is determination of plastic limit. In case of plastic limit, the soil sample mixed with water, it is rolled to form a thread of 3 mm diameter. It is rolled until the crumbles are formed on the surface. Next is determination of shrinkage limit. So this is the apparatus used. Next, grain size distribution of soil by sieve analysis. A set of sieve is used for the particular experiment. The sieve sizes are 4.75 mm, 2.36 mm, 1.18 mm, 600 micron, 300 micron, 150 micron and 75 micron. And the last, there will be a pan. Next is determination of field density of soil by sand replacement method. The main apparatus used are cylindrical calibrating container, sand pouring cylinder, metal tray with a hole. Next is determination of permeability of soil by variable head permeability test. This is the apparatus used for determining the permeability of soil. Standard Proctor test. This is the apparatus used. Hydrometer method of soil analysis. The main instrument is the hydrometer is used. We need distilled water. Then direct shear test. So this is the shear box used in the direct shear test, and it is mainly used for cohesionless soil.